Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In today's video, I'll be explaining you about how can you do the entry in Tally about separate discount column and stock query. As you can see my example where I'm saying that IBM company is purchasing 20 pieces of HCL computers at a rate of 25,000 and keeps it in the Godown Kanpur. And then he sells 10 pieces to the customer at 30,000 and 2% discount has been given to the customer. Okay. So how do you do this entry? We will see now actually. For that, you have to first open Tally. So once you open Tally, you can just click over here, continue in education mode. And I'm just making a new company. So you just say create company and backspace, change the drive because my that I wanted my that folder, select from drive. It's in my E drive and my folder is there, Sushil Tally. Enter, enter. So here you can give the name of the company that I'm just seeing the name of the company as IBM Company Private Limited. Enter, enter. State I'm saying as Maharashtra. And financial year I'm saying it as 1-4-2021. So this company is created in 2021. So I'm saying 2021. Enter. Books beginning also same. Enter, enter. And then save it. Yes. So once you save this thing, then there's an option over here which says down below if you say enter come and come here. Use discount column in invoice. It says no at the moment. So make it yes over here. Enter. Rest or nothing. Just save it. Control A. So when you press Control A, it gets saved and come to your main screen. This is your gateway of Tally. So once you have set it to yes, that is this is what we have made now here. So I made this use discount column. Yes, yes. After that, we have to create one godown over here called as Kanpur. To create a godown Kanpur, you have to come here, create, single create, enter. Come down like this and come down over here, go down, enter, create new and write down there Kanpur. This is the godown where they're keeping the goods. Enter, enter, primary, enter and say yes. Escape, escape. Till you come over here, list of masters. Then you have to make one stock group called as computers. So that will come over here, stock group you have to make. So come here in inventory masters mein stock group. Enter and write down your computer. Computer is the stock group. Enter, enter under primary. Enter. Should quantity be added? Yes. Because later if I want to add something, so I can say yes or no. Rest on nothing, just save it. Control A. And then you say escape. Escape. Come to your this thing, list of masters. After that, we have to create one stock item called as HCL. HCL is the stock item under computer. So for that, come over here, stock item, enter, and write down your HCL, enter, enter, under computer, units, also you can press and write down the PC, PCS, enter, 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 number decimal 2, and then save it, enter, and then you say yes, and then save it, control A, escape, escape, and come out to the main screen. That is your gateway of Tally. So now once you have done this much, so now we have to do the entry part. That is this purchase and sales. I can do it once I'm doing the entry. I can do it over there also. Instead of doing it separately, going to ledgers and doing it. Now this is my purchase entry. Your company is purchasing by cash. Because this is not given. Supplier name is not given. Your company is buying it, purchasing by cash. So just come here directly, vouchers, and press F9. F9 is for purchase. Invoice number is asking me over here. I'm not giving an invoice number, so that's okay. Just leave it. Enter. enter. Now my company is paying it by cash, so this is cash over here, enter. Here nothing, save it, control A. Now here you have to create one ledger called as purchase ledger. Alt C you can press from your keyboard and write down the purchase. Purchase will go under purchase account. Rest all nothing, save it, control A. Now here the item will come. What are you buying? HCL. That was your stock which you have created. Enter. Go down is Kanpur. Enter. Quantity. Quantity is in fact I've said is 20. So you can push that, type that 20 over there. Enter. Rate is asking me. The rate is 25,000. So you put there 25,000. Enter. You can see one extra one column has come here. See, discount. But for purchase there is no discount, so you can leave this blank over here. Only for sales we are giving a discount actually. So this is the amount, 5 lakhs. That means the company has to pay 5 lakhs. Enter, 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 enter. Here at the moment I'm not doing anything on GST, so you say no here. Enter. That is saying you say here B goods purchased by cash. Enter, and then you say yes. So my purchase entry is done. So once you've done your purchase entry, so now we have to do your sales entry. Now you are selling the goods now. Now to sell the goods, you have to press this button called as F8. Again, your customer's name is not given. You're paying it by cash. Your customer is paying by cash. So you say cash, enter. Here nothing. Control A. Control A. Sales you'll have to create on ledger. Also you can press from your keyboard and write down the sales. Enter, enter. Sales will go under sales account. Rest of nothing. Save it. Control A. Now what are you selling? HCL. That is the product HCL. Enter. Go down is Kanpur. From Kanpur it will come. Out of 20 you are selling 10. At what rate? 30,000. So write 30,000. Now discount you are giving is 2% to the customer. So write 2 on your discount option. Enter. How does this discount came? Because I've said that yes in that option of yours called as configure. Configure means that one option we have said yes now. So that's why you are getting this option. Otherwise it will not come. Enter. So that amount is 2,94,000. That means the customer has to pay 2,94,000 because your company is giving 2% discount to your customer. Enter, 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 enter. So you can say no here. Enter. Narration you say again B goods sold by cash. Enter, and then you can say yes. So once you get this, because I'm not entered the bill number, so you're getting this, so let's say yes or yes. And space bar. So now my that entry is entered. Now once you have done this entries, now you would like to check it. Mostly what happens is we come here, escape. Yes. Come to your balance sheet, enter, and press Alt F5 from your keyboard. So it will not show me because see, I have entered cash entry now. So it come here, cash in hand, enter, enter, enter. So this is my two entries that I have done, purchase and sales. If I go to purchase, it will show me my purchase entry, and will just come out, escape, escape, escape. If I come to my sales entry, it will show me my sales entry. So but I want to see everything actually together with the go down options, everything should be seen actually. That's why Tally has given an option called a stock query where I can find out how much I have purchased, how much I have sold, and how much is remaining in my godown. For that you have to come to stock query. For stock query you have to come over here. There's an option called display more reports. Then statement inventory, stock query, enter. HCL is your stock. At the moment I have only one stock, so HCL, enter. If any more was there, then all those stock will come here. See, here it shows you. See. I had bought it by purchase 20 quantity 25,000. There's no discount, so 5 lakhs I have paid. Out of which 10 you sold your customer. That is this 30,000 at 2% discount. So customer has to pay you 2 lakhs 94,000. And in my stock in Kanpur, I have got 10 pieces still remaining. So this is how you can do this entry of your score as separate discount column and stock query. If you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next